All right, today I'm gonna try my hand in making some Esquitos, commonly known as Mexican street corn. Get your ingredients together. Use some corn, butter, a big pot, some hot Cheetos. Use some hot Cheetos, some queso, hot sauce, chili powder, and a lime. Get all this out of here. All this hair and stuff. So the next thing you want to do, cut the kernels off the cob. In a pot, put you some margarine or butter if you choose. Set your medium low. That's good. It's gonna be good. Let the butter melt. Make your Cheetos dust. That's what I call it, Cheetos dust. When your butter is melting, real good like that. Pour your corn in. Put a little water. The water that I use to rinse it off. Then after a minute, I'm gonna put enough water in here to cover it all. Put a couple of enough water to cover your corn. Oh, that's covered. One cover did it. And we're gonna let that I'm gonna put a top on it and let it cook about 20 minutes. Put a little epazote in here. Get out the rubber band. Get some flavor. Don't need a whole lot, just put about that much in there. Stir it all around. Top back on. Okay, let's see if we can get some of this. It's been simmering for about 20 minutes now. Let me see if we can get some of this epazote out. That's to give it the little flavor that it needs. I like that. Put a little hot sauce on the bottom. Put a little corn over that. Try to make some layers. some hot Cheetos. Yo, Cheeto dust. Make another layer. Queso, cotija. Put a layer of that. Back to corn. All right, that's enough of that. A little butter. It'd be nice if I had one of them, I can just squirt the butter on, but oh well. And finally, well, not finally, you can put it in any order you want to put it. Find a little bit more corn. And hot sauce. Yeah. And a little lime juice. Squirt a little lime juice down in there. Spoon. This is delicious. And there you have it. Mexican street corn in a bowl. Esquites. If you like it, subscribe, hit the like button. I'm gonna try to get some more out, some more cooking videos. This is really, I mean, you should try this. This is really good. Hit the bell for notifications. And remember, light always defeats the darkness.